welcome to the Wong Viewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. In today's episode, I am reviewing the Govee LED RBIC light strips, which I have mounted on the wall here and on my pegboard in the back here as well. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you the accessories. I'm going to talk about how to install it on your iPhone, as well as the different features and functions of the Govee LED light strips. As you're watching the video and you find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So this is where I plan to mount the LED light. So this is my current setup. So I have my Elgato wave panels right here. It helps with the reverb when I'm doing recording my videos. And what I want to do is I want to put the LED strips along here just to make it look nice. And eventually I hope to get rid of this Godox LED panel, but I think it's gonna look nice with the LED lights on there. So that is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna install the lights. All right, so this is the Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, and also has music mode as well. And it is using the Govee Home app. In terms of features, it is colorful lighting, DIY mode, adjust brightness, music mode, set timers, and most importantly, safe to use. So let's get to the unboxing. So it says like it, share it, download the Govee Home app, user manual, and then I have 2 reels of LED strip lights. And this one actually has physical buttons to turn on and off, which is very nice. AC adapter, alcohol prep pad, I guess is for sticking onto the wall, and then some mounting hardware for the LED lights. Some mounting hardware includes 3M strips and these little tags, which we'll take a look at, and screws. This is a closer look at the LED light here. Just a closer look at the LED light. It says Govee LED 12 volts. Nice and thin. And so what I'm going to do now is I am going to mount it on the wall, and we'll install the app and see how it looks. First, download the Govee app from your Play Store or iOS store. So you click on the plus sign once you're the Govee app, and then you just go through the list looking for your Govee product, and then just click add onto it. As you can see, Govee has a lot of LED products, and this is actually my second one. Once you find your product, select it. In this case, my product is H6126, and it's going to ask you for Bluetooth connection, so you just click on it. And now through Bluetooth, it's going to connect to the strip. One of the things I do is I want to name it in case I have many Govee LED products. So I'm just going to name this one Govee LED strip. Click done. And as soon as you connect to it via Bluetooth, there is a firmware update for the LED strip. So just click on it and let it go through its process. It does take a while here. I actually sped up the time by 400%. And then it's going to restart. It's going to power off the LED light and then power it back on. So it says upgrade successful. And then you will just connect to it again. So here I'm just going to randomly go through the different features and functions of the Govee LED light. So again, the Govee app has a lot of preset scenes that you can use. I'm just going to quickly go through and cycle some of the ones I thought that was interesting. And that's one of the things I do like about Govee is you can customize it as well as a lot of the presets that they have for you. And you can spend a lot of time playing around with it. This one's kind of neat. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground where I spent most of my days chilling out, maxing and relaxing on cool. The one feature I found really interesting on the Govee LED app is under the Effects tab. So if you go to the Effects lab, and you go to Harmony Lab, there's different It combines both LED light and sound effects to give you a more environmental immersion of using the lights. So for instance, if I decided to do rain, the LED, so there's sounds of rain and then the LEDs kind of match the sound of the rain. So if I do thunder roaring, you can see the lights kind of syncing with the different thunder, sound and lightning. If I do a thunderstorm, again, you can see the lights kind of syncing to the sound of the thunderstorm. And then if you want to do something different, such as a hailstorm. So if I do hailstorm, again, the lights kind of sync up to the sound, or a stream, maybe nice cool. Or you can do music, such as spring breeze. So this is under the Effects Lab, under the Harmony Lab. Again, it combines both music and sound effects with syncing of the LED lights. So it's kind of pre-built into the Govee app, which I thought was kind of neat and interesting. And it's really not for me, but if you're filming something or if you need lighting sound effects, that might be a good feature for you to have. This is the second Govee LED product I own. The first one I own is the Govee RGBIC slide wall LED light tube or panel, which I have mounted against this far wall. If you're interested in seeing that review, I'll kind of post it here. Now, in terms of an overall conclusion of the LED light strip from Govee, it is something that I would definitely recommend. First of all, it is very easy to install, and I like the fact they come in 2 reels. Because the length I have allows me to kind of split it off, one mounting onto this wall and onto the pegboard. I found that very easy instead of having just one huge long 50-foot LED light strip. The second thing I do like is the fact that it has physical buttons. There's a remote that you can use to power on and off and cycle through different features and functions. So you don't have to rely on using your phone app to turn it on or off, which is really nice. The third thing I do like about it is the adhesive they use on the LED light strips. It is very, very strong. If you make a mistake and you put it on, it is a pain to take off. This is my probably 3rd or 4th LED light strip that I bought and used, and by far this is the best one in terms of adhesive. The other ones I bought, even after 2 days or after a week, it actually starts coming off and starts peeling off because adhesive isn't strong enough. And in this case, I've been using the LED light strips for 2 weeks now, and it is strong securely on my Elgato wave panels as well on my pegboard. I'm not worried about it coming off. And the last thing I do like about it is the app. The Govee app allows you to do a lot of customizations to it. You could customize the color, the brightness, the frequency. You can customize the different sections on it as well. And even like as fun as the Effects Lab, syncing it with different sound effects to the lighting effects. And I thought that was really neat too. And I'm glad that Govee did that. Just for some creative type, if you're filming, having that flexibility is really nice. Overall, again, if you're looking for an LED light strip, I would definitely recommend this. There's nothing wrong with it. All right, so if you have any questions or comments about the LED light strip, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.